to the channel. This is S2K. For today's video, I'm gonna be finally racing my friend Kevin. Yeah, if you're new, he drives the Prelude 5th gen. They call it full bolt-ons tune on 93. Last time we went out to race, we weren't able to because something went wrong with my car. I don't remember. It was like a year ago. And well, now that we have the time, the day is not looking so bad. We're gonna go and test them out again. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. So stay tuned. It's been maybe like a month since last time I drove this thing. Actually, yeah, last time I drove it was that one time, or my last video, which was a month ago. Man, I love this car so much. I really love it. Alright, well, I met up with them. I already got gas, so that's done. But I just wanted to show you guys his car real quick. I want to put that. But yeah, so it is 5th gen Prelude, full bolt-on tune. It doesn't have the H. It's a F20B automatic because he's going boost. I know you're gonna think like, oh, why would he go F20 when you know the H is better, all motor, whatever. But no, he's going boost, so that's the reason why he swapped it for an F20. I'm gonna show you the interior. This is another thing that we're gonna be testing. He took everything out of the car to see if it makes a difference. But yeah, I'll show you guys the engine bay in a little bit. So okay, so I want to show you guys the engine bay, eBay headers. No, they're not eBay. Are they? No, they're not. But yeah, F20B, automatic, full bolt-on tune on 93. You made how much? 181. 181, 199. And obviously, like I show you, it's a little lighter. 199. Alright, well, now we're about to do the runs on the highway. So yeah, now from now on it's just gonna be pulls and runs, so enjoy. Start heading home. Yeah, but that's not bad. All right. Shit. Main thing. So I did a pull I did a highway pull when I got on the highway for the first time. Don't know why the camera didn't record. Bullshit. Whatever. On the way back, when we got on the highway, there was too much traffic. We really couldn't do a run how I wanted to do it. So I apologize for just having 2 runs. Hopefully maybe some other time we can make some other video racing, or if he goes, whenever he goes boost, obviously I don't care, I'll race him like that. I don't care. Right now I'm just gonna go to his house. I'm gonna help him put on my bumper that he bought for the car. So yeah, this is gonna be it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Like I've said before, I'm gonna be trying to make content more often for you guys. I see that I've been getting subscribers even when I'm not even posting, so that tells me that you guys are enjoying what I post in here. So yeah, I'm gonna try to make more time for this and post more often. But yeah, thanks for watching again, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.